Next will be SpaceWalk from South Korea. So please, Mr. Sang-Hyun Cho, to come to podium. And just for your information, Crowd Illustrated got the investment from Crevice Partners and Koika. So I hope the best.
Good afternoon. I'm Sang-Hyun Cho, CEO of SpaceWalk, and it is a great honor and pleasure to have opportunity to present our company. We would very appreciate any advice and feedback you could give. We founded in 2016, so 2 years. And before launching SpaceWalk, I found Boundless, the architectural design office, and we designed many buildings and developed the buildings on a small land. But we finally found out that architect or local resident and even the government can be avoided from the market. Because that's why I want to I found SpaceWalk, the technology-based company. This is the maps showing the cities in the same scale: Paris, London, San Francisco, and Seoul, Tokyo, Hanoi. Can you see the difference? The biggest difference is the scale. The size of plots and land is Western cities. Size of land is very big and straight, so building is nice and perfectly settled down the land. But in Seoul, this is our building. We are here, but other part of the city, it is divided into very small pieces of land. Seoul, Tokyo, that is a Tokyo government, but other parts of the city is very, very small land. Hanoi is really separated each other. So this is very different, and in this situation, we need to renovate all the buildings, but the land is limited and small to get help from experts. If the land is big and development project is big, then good developer with long-term view and government and expert can help the city great. But the size of the land, only developers with short-term perspectives are heroes in this market. Architect, local resident, even the government cannot be the hero. So we want to using technology to empower residents, architects, governments to lead in the making the city. So we are making AI property valuation engine with urban big data and AI architect, and this is our engine. So this is a ordinary Korean very plus, and it calculates the how can build a land, and we can make a feasibility study or something like that. So, because the value of different type of land development could be estimated through architectural planning. So, we are making architectural engine to valuation land. So, that's our core technology, and this is our example for government. This is our software, and Seoul and Gyeonggi use our software to consulting local resident. The land is a live resident with very old houses, and if they want to build a new apartment, then they ask the government to, we want to rebuild the apartment, then they use our software to consulting the reconstruction project. So this is our approach, just automated making. So this is our example, and we are making software for Vietnam last year. This is a software for social housing, affordable housing in Vietnam. We can choose the land, then it calculates the architectural planning and construction costs or something like that. yes, this is almost same mechanism in Seoul. And other project is a land safety web service. Then this year, old building collapsed due to construction work nearby in Seoul. So we are making software to find out which building is in danger by collapsing. So just filtering, and you can find out which is the old buildings and weak structures. But around the site, the blue one is a construction site. So government can find out which site is really in danger. So, and this is our main web service we are making. This web service just click the land, then calculate and suggest the best proposal for this land. This is our current status, and we will make this service as a marketplace. So, because in Korea, transaction quantity per year for land is 1,420 billion US dollars, and 8,170,000 transactions a year. But nobody knows that they don't know when they are buying or selling. Just they have hope to make some good buildings, but it doesn't happen so many times. So some developer with short-term views just buying the lands and make a very bad apartment and just leave the place. So we want to make a transparent marketplace. So this is at each land we can find out the best way to manage the land. So this is our goal. And so our goal is to utilize land, one of the most limited resources, in the most efficient way based on technology. And one more thing, we have a plan to next year, 2019. We just planned by AI and construction, one house in the real world. Thank you.
민간 기업이나 민간 기관에서 이용한 적이 있습니까?
예, 지금 민간 기관에서도 시범적으로 지금 사용하고 있습니다. 예.
So they utilize the power of AI and technology to reduce the cost of the development and design, and utilize the land with the best kind of valuation, based on best valuation. And their technology has been used by SH.
Seoul.
The public agencies, and also they are applying this technology to resolve the problems in Vietnam. So, and then it's supported by Quick